Hello to everyone. My name is Devinder Singh, currently pursuing Masters in Networking from MIT Sydney. I'm gonna show this video which is based on my assignment. That includes we have to demonstrate the monitoring tools which we are using on Windows and Linux. In the assignment, they have provided us the description of 6 monitoring tools, and I have used almost all 6 of them on my laptop, like iSolve, Nmon, PowerTop, IOTop, and 2 more. But out of these 6, 4 have worked, and I'm gonna tell you about the 2 monitoring tools which I have used, and I'm gonna show you this. Now let's start with the first software, PowerTop. First click on the terminal, then later on, after the terminal has been opened, just you need to get the PowerTop in your laptop. For this you have to type the command sudo apt get install PowerTop and click enter. See, it has been already installed on my laptop before, so it will show where it has been newly installed. Now let's start with the working of the PowerTop. For that you have to type the command sudo space PowerTop. Just click enter. So basically what the PowerTop is a terminal based diagnosis tool developed by Intel that helps you to monitor power usage by programs running on your Linux system. So one of the important feature of the PowerTop is that it provides the interactive mode which allows a user to experiment with different power management settings. So now you can have a look what is there in the window. It is showing the overview. What is there in the overview? It is showing the usage, event, category and description. And the main thing, like in the category, it is showing the processes and like how much usage they are doing and where they are running. In the description it has been mentioned the file name, everything. Now in the next window you can see idle stats. While looking after it, we can say that it is currently showing the usage of the processor, that where it's running, where the usage is being and the next one is the frequency stats. And the next window, it show the device stats. And the here you can see the various number of devices along with the usage, like where for example you can see the CPU core, like how much usage it is doing, like the 5%. And the other ones are USB and then PCI device. And the next one is the another window, like here it is showing the conditions of the various we can say like the hardware or the software, like it's showing here. Here you can have a look. And now I'm going to do the change in the these ones, like which are in bad condition. I have to bring it in like good condition. For this we have to type one command. Let's start with it. Now for changing the condition of those attributes from bad to good, we have to type one command like sudo PowerTop dash dash auto dash k and click enter. Now again run the PowerTop, the command which we have run before. It has like optimize the power. And let's see, now we are gonna check. Click enter and see everything is almost same. And you can have a look, like here the condition before was like bad of all these attributes, but now it is being turned into good. So Power top basically deals with the power consumption, like how much power is consumed there, and it helps in optimizing that power so as to get the good battery backup. You know. Now let's start with the another tool, NMON. So what NMON is? First, I'm going to start with that. NMON, it is a computer performance system monitoring tool for the Linux operating systems. This tool displays on screen and saves to the data file operating system statistics to aid the understanding of computer resource thing. NMON collects the following system statistics like CPU frequency, GPU stats, and many more. The next thing is the NMON has two run modes. One is online mode and another one is capture mode. So let's start with the NMON now. For getting the NMON, you have to type this command, the same one. Just click enter. So here I have already installed it before, so it will display here like it is installed. Now let's start with the working of the NMON. Sudo NMON, just type command for running the NMON and click enter. So here it will run the NMON. Here you can have a look. The various things are given here in the window, like these are the keys which have we can use just for having a look at the CPU and memory, disk allocation, utilization, virtual memory, network. And let's have a look at the some of these keys which I'm gonna start using it now. Let's start with the CPU, for which we have to type C, and the CPU is showing the overall, not we can say overall, but it is showing the little bit view in which it is displaying the usage by the system user and how much it is using in idle condition or waiting condition. And the next one, we are going to use the M condition just for having a look at the memory and the swap. So here it is showing the memory size of RAM, and in the high memory and low memory, like it's not in use, so only displaying about the RAM memory and swap space. The next one I'm gonna use R for the resource. So here it is showing the resource, like in which it is mentioned the version of the Linux, like where I am using the Debian, and the release version is mentioned over here, like everything. What is the description of my CPU, processor, and the whether the machine operating system is like 32 bits or 64 bits, like everything is mentioned over here in this description. So let's try the another one. So here I have tried V for just for having a look at the virtual memory. So just in the stats it's like showing now 0.0%. So by looking after this, we can have a look at the various kind of keys, like it's regarding the system everything. So what I can say, therefore I can say about one major difference in between PowerTop and NMON is that PowerTop, it deals with the power consumption management of the machine, and whereas on the other hand the NMON concentrates on the performance information, as I have shown. So at last I would like to say uh, the monitoring tools like NMON and PowerTop are very useful for us in managing the power and the performance of our system. uh, these could also be useful like whenever we are facing these kinds of problem, like the speed of our system gets slow, so we are getting low battery backup. We can use these types of monitoring tools just for getting a good output, rather than going outside and spending a lot of money. So I think these type of monitoring tools would be useful for everyone in the future. Thank you.